This is the Nexa P-47. I'm waiting on the new hatch to come. I got some locks for it since I lost it last flight. But I did install a new pilot figure. This was the original. As you can see, huge difference. The other guy's way more scale. This dude was too big, way too big. And I also installed this ignition cutoff switch and put a little bit of a handhold in the door. I weathered it yesterday. Some more, did some gun smoke, some airbrushing. It looks pretty good. Did some ribs. Got the ignition light there in the dashboard. Lets me know that we have signal. Also lets the ignition know that we have signal. Yeah, she looks good. The engine. And it'll be a 4-bladed prop after probably about 10 flights. I can get that far. So, good stuff. That's it. Nexa P-47. No longer called the Texas whatever. It's just the model. I didn't use hardly any of the decals. So most I got off Cali Graphics, like all these panel nomenclatures. I got off of Cali Graphics, and there's still more I didn't put on. I used these out of the actual model kit because she didn't have them with her set. Also, the side numbers here, she didn't have. So, also, it didn't come with an antenna. I had to add that, which is strange. It's iconic to this airplane. So, yeah, once I get the new hatch, I'll be able to put the new hatch locks on and should be able to take it for a flight when the wind calms down. These are the hatches, the hatch locks. Right here, spring loaded. Keep that hatch from flying off mid-flight.